Ohayou gozaimasu. It's Sunday and 9 degree at 7 o'clock. So I have to come to pray. It's my daily routine to pray. It's not because I push to pray, but I want to pray. And the reason that I really want to pray is that I want to seek God more, and the more I seek Him, the more I know Him. And this is what I love when I pray. Because it's not when you pray because you need something. When you pray because you have problem. You pray because you want this to happen to your life. You pray because you like to buy something. No. Whether you have problem, whether you want something, and whether you like some of the things that you like, you have to say, Lord, thank you. Lord, I love you. Lord, I need you. Because God is love. And when you learn to love God, you just have to be contented for what you have right now. And the problem, it just go when it just can. It's just you to be build a stone in your heart that you will be like strong as the stone. There's problem or anything that you encounter, you never be shaken because you have God. Good morning, happy Sunday to all.